welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this beautiful fall autumn inspired mani. I love how it came out. It is so beautiful. I'm using powders from Nails Be Dippin. This is part of my Support Small Brand series, and I will tell you right now, these powders were a dream to work with. They were so easy, they came out so beautiful, and I was so impressed by the quality. I mean, these compared to my Sparkle & Co., my Virgo and Gem, other brands that cost quite a bit more. So if you are interested in some cool powders from a small brand, I will link her Etsy shop below, and I encourage you to check them out. So I'm not going to go through the entire dip process here. I just really like to show you guys how they perform as I'm actually dipping my nails when I'm trying out a smaller brand, because part of this is the review, and I want you guys to see if something like this would work for you. So as you watch me and my dip process, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this collab. So obviously you're here, you found my channel. This is about that mama life. If you're new here, I do beauty videos like nails, but also skincare and makeup. I do how-to videos, lots of reviews. I even do life hacks, recipes, and videos with the kiddos. So you get a lot of mama life content on my channel. As far as nails go, I venture more into the nail art, the stamping, designs, and I like to review and try out new and different things. So I have a video trying out maniology and the stamping kit. I do things like trying out nail guards. So if you want to see how they perform before you waste your money on them or spend your money on them, then check out some of my review videos and see what you think. Stacy is from Wine and Dip. She does a lot of really cool nail content, so you're going to get the full nail experience. She tries out and reviews different brands. She does nail art, stamping, and she reviews a wine with each one of her manicures. So I absolutely love her channel. It's so much fun. If you enjoy wine and dip, then check her out. I'm going to link her video in the collab below as well. And Kayla from Totally Kayla, she is just a doll. I absolutely love Kayla. She has such an upbeat, bright personality. She does all kinds of fun stuff from extensions and tips to different designs. I really loved her horizontal versus vertical ombre, and she's super talented. So if you want to check out Kayla's video in this collab, I will link that below as well. So go check out my girls, show them some love as well. They're just absolutely amazing. So I went ahead and did one dip on each finger, and this is what I have. And here it is, kind of dusted off. Now I'm going to go in, and I just wanted to show you one nail on how I get my cuticle line. That first dip was almost to the cuticle, but not quite. And on this one, I go up and do the whole nail, and then slowly, once most of my product is off my brush, go up to that cuticle line. And then I dip. And there we go. I still use my cuticle tool to run along all of the edges just to clean it up and create a nice crisp line. And these powders made it so easy. They almost just jumped on my nail. They were so easy to work with. All right, so I'm finishing up my last dip on this hand. So I did 2 dips of each color. And this is the mitten, that sparkly green, and I had a little tiny shelf at the very tip of my nail when I dipped it. But I literally just kind of patted it in a little bit, and there it was. It was perfect. I love, 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 love all of these colors. None of them gave me any trouble, and they were all so pretty. So after they have dried a little bit, I'm just running this over all of the nails just to get any loose or excess powder off before I activate. And I filed and buffed with just a hand file There, you can see this really didn't need much filing. It was thin, it was beautiful. I could have just activated and gone about my way. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a cap in clear. I have been doing this on all of my manicures regardless of what I'm doing, just so that when I file and buff, I have a little bit of a guard between the clear and then my color. So I'm using Sparkling Co's clear, and then I just use a separate little container for my glitter colors, and that way I don't contaminate and get glitter in my clear. And there we are, activated, filed and buffed, ready to stamp. Now let's get into some fun nail art. This is a plate I got off Amazon. It's Ejubious, and these are my Born Pretty stamping polishes. I also got them off Amazon in a big bundle. It was like $30, and I got like 24, 25 polishes. They are decent quality. They're good. They work really pretty well. They are not the highest quality that I've ever used, but for the price, they are awesome. This is my Maniology stamper. I just picked it up, and I'm going to place it over that champagne-y gold color. I just thought the gold on gold looked so pretty, and it's just a great little accent. I'm going to use my lint roller to take the rest of the polish off of that stamper. And there's both fingers with the gold leaves. This is a different stamping plate, also from Amazon. It's from Beauty Big Bang, and you can see the stamping plate number in the middle there. And I'm using this kind of reddish brown color to pick up the word autumn. And then I'm going to use my lint roller to get rid of all the rest of the words. I just wanted the word autumn. And I've been really having fun layering, stamping, doing reverse stamping. I will link one of my stamping videos in the cards so that you can check some of those out. I do have a playlist called Nails, 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 where I upload all of my nail videos if you want to check that out. And I just laid that down, and now I'm taking a small little brush with a little bit of acetone on it and just cleaning up whatever stamping polish was left on my fingers and around my cuticles. And here we have the stamping details. How pretty! Now I'm using a Model 1's gel top coat. This is a glossy top coat that I'm going over all the glittery nails. And then I used a matte top coat from Model 1's as well over the orange and the brown colors. So I like to mix matte and glossy. There are no rules. Have fun. And here's the finished product. I've got some matte. I've got some glossy. I've got some glitter. I've got some stamping. It's just so fun. If you like these colors, I definitely recommend go check out Nails Be Dipping. I mean, so beautiful, great quality. And then go give my girl Stacy and my girl Kayla some love on their channel and check out their fall collab. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.